If you've been trading Forex for months, maybe even years, and your account still isn't growing the way you imagined, this video is for you. Not because you're lazy, not because you're stupid, but because nobody ever showed you the truth about trading. In 2026, the market doesn't reward effort, it rewards clarity. Think about this for a moment. How many times have you entered a trade too early, closed a winning trade too fast, watched price hit your original target after you exited, or revenge traded just to get your money back? You told yourself, next time, I'll be more disciplined. But next time came, and the same mistakes repeated, not because you didn't try, but because you were trading blind. Here's a hard truth most traders don't want to hear. Most traders fail not because of strategy, but because they rely on guesswork in a professional market. Trading without the right tools is like driving at night with your headlights turned off at full speed. You might survive for a while, but eventually, you crash. The most painful part? Your losses weren't random. Price was giving signals, structure was forming, momentum was shifting. But without clarity, you couldn't see it. And every loss slowly damaged something deeper than your account. Your confidence. You started doubting yourself, doubting trading, doubting whether Forex really works. Let me tell you something important. The problem was never you. The problem was that you were trading emotion first instead of data first. Professional traders don't rely on hope, they rely on confirmation. They use tools that filter noise, highlight strength and weakness, reduce emotional decisions, and keep them patient when the market is quiet. That's the difference. In today's market, serious traders are using advanced Forex indicators, currency strength tools, sentiment analysis, and automated systems that remove emotional mistakes. Not to replace skill, but to support discipline. The goal isn't to trade more. The goal is to trade smarter. I've personally shared a collection of Forex tools and resources that traders are using right now to improve clarity and consistency. If you're tired of guessing, tired of emotional trades, tired of starting over, then take a moment after this video and check the link in the description. Don't rush it. Just explore. Learn what's possible when you trade with structure. The trader you want to become doesn't need more motivation. They need better information, better tools, and a calmer, more confident approach. Trading success doesn't come from excitement. It comes from patience, clarity, and consistency. If this video spoke to you, do 3 things right now. First, check the link in the description to explore the Forex tools I mentioned. Second, share this video with someone who's struggling silently in trading. And finally, subscribe to the channel, because here, we trade smarter, not harder. Your next level in trading starts with one decision. Make it today.